I'm starting off with my CeraVe moisturizer, which I actually hate, by the way. I much rather prefer something else that I'll link down below. And next I'm using my Laura Mercier Hydrating Primer. This stuff is actually amazing. It really moisturizes my skin and I love it. So I'm just patting it in. Now I'm using my L'Oreal Lumi foundation, which is my absolute favorite drugstore foundation, by the way, so definitely check it out. And I'm using it a little bit lighter than my face, so I could look pale just like Sabrina. Now I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light, and I don't know why I put it in my mouth, that's gross, stop. And I'm just gonna put it under my eyes, in the middle of my eyebrows, on the sides of my nose, and on my chin, and I'm just gonna blend that out. Now I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me powder, which is really great, by the way, and I'm just going to apply it all over, mostly in the center of my face. And now I'm taking my Tarte contour palette, and I'm just going to contour my cheekbones. Try and make my face somewhat look like her, but, you know, girl can only try. But in the end, I think I looked pretty close to her. I think I did a pretty great job. Now I'm contouring my nose, so I am not a nose contour specialist, so no judgments down below, but I'm just trying to make my nose look like hers as much as I possibly can. And now I'm just going to blend it out with my finger. It looks a little harsh, but I kind of want it that way so you can see the features a little bit better in the end. And now I'm going to take my blush palette and just apply a light blush to my cheeks. This is by BH Cosmetics, by the way. Now onto my eyes. I'm just going to take that same contour palette. Oh my god, it's Salem! He made an appearance! Well, it's actually Bella and it's a girl, but we can pretend it's Salem. And I'm just going to take that color and put it in the crease of my eye, just to give me a little dimension. As you can see, Sabrina doesn't really wear much makeup, so we're definitely keeping this super simple. Do not forget your lower lash line because I feel like that literally makes a look. And now taking the light shade, which you didn't see too well, I'm just going to pop that in the inner corners of my eye. Any cream light shade will work. Now onto my eyebrows, which I literally suck at, but you know, we're getting better, we're getting there, and I'm just going to bulk them up a little bit because Sabrina has some thick eyebrows. And using my Anastasia brow gel, just going to set those in place. Wow, I'm getting quicker and quicker. I'm just gonna curl my lashes and apply my Wander Beauty mascara. I really like this mascara, guys. It lengthens your lashes so well. Now going on to my lips, I'm going to take this Bite Beauty lip crayon in a red shade and I'm going to line my lips super little. Her lips are super tiny, so I'm trying to emulate that. Yeah, and I think it came out pretty great. Now this is the finished makeup look, and now we're going to get right into the hair. So starting off with my Remington curling wand that's really jacked up and ratchet looking, we're just going to take small sections of the hair and curl them back. So what I ended up doing was doing 2 back, 2 forward, 2 back, 2 forward, and kind of doing it like that so I can get different curl patterns in my hair. And now once that's done, I'm just literally messing around with it and taking pieces and pinning them up with bobby pins. I'm just trying to make my hair look shorter. I'm teasing it up, like mess around with it, have fun, do your own thing, like I'm not doing anything crazy. And now I'm just popping in my headband, and look at that. You have completely transformed into Sabrina. Onto the outfit, I got this cute top from Zara, and my skirt is from Charlotte Russe, but I think a burgundy skirt would look so much better with this look. And my headband is from Forever 21, but you can get a black headband anywhere. And that's the finished look, guys. So simple.
And in the dark times, you don't have to question if I'm where we are. You could put an ocean between our love.